Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And this is current affair interview questions, and these are very, very important for all the SIBs. So how did you do your tier 2 examination? Kindly write in your comment box, and then we will be taking care of some interview questions related to your current affairs. So why current affair is very important? Because as we know that there are several types of questions in IB interview. There are some introductory questions, there are some current affair or surrounding knowledge based questions, and there are some situation reaction test question along with rapid fire type question. So in current affair type question, students are asking me, sir, which kind of question can be asked and how to deal with the current affair sessions. So is my voice audible? Kindly tell me. Okay, so why interview is important? Because you will be given field work, drafting, ground reporting, survey, surveillance, and other job. And for this, you need to have a good presence of mind. And to check your presence of mind, the interviewer may generally ask your hobby or your graduation syllabus. And if it is connected with some physics or some cryogenic engine, then after 2 or 3 questions, he must reach to the basic current affair question like Chandrayaan-3 mission, why ISRO wants to explore the moon's south pole. So the first question here is, what is the full form of ISRO? Who will answer me? What is the full form of ISRO? So who will answer me? What is the full form of ISRO? Okay, tell me, Ritik. Yes. Those who know the answer, please tell me. So if everything goes well, Chandrayaan-3 will be the world's first mission to soft land near the lunar south pole. All the previous spacecraft have landed a few degree latitude north or south of the lunar equator. So this is a matter of great happiness and achievement for our scientists. Yes, the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Where is its headquarters and who is the director or who is the chief of ISRO? Kindly tell me in the comment box. Yes. Now, it is set to be launched from Andhra Pradesh, Sriharikota on July 14 at 2:35 p.m. Chandrayaan-3 is India's third lunar mission. It is a follow-up to the 2019 Chandrayaan-2 mission, which partially failed after its lander and rover couldn't execute a soft landing on the moon. According to ISRO officials, the Chandrayaan-3 will reach the lunar orbit almost a month after its launch, and its lander Vikram and rover Pragyan are likely to land on the moon on August 2023. So here you need to know the name of the lander is Vikram and the name of the rover is Pragyan. Okay. Notably, the landing site of the latest mission is more or less the same as the Chandrayaan-2. It is near the south pole of the moon at 70-degree latitude. So this is the location where it should be landed. Now, if everything goes well, the Chandrayaan-3 will become the world's first mission to soft land near the lunar south pole. All the previous spacecraft to have landed on the moon have landed in the equatorial region. So अभी तक जितने भी गए हैं वो सारे इक्वेटोरियल रीजन पे गए हैं, लेकिन ये जो पहला मिशन होगा ये ल्यूनर के साउथ पोल पर जाएगा और a few degree latitude north or south of the lunar equator, जो इक्वेटोरियल रीजन का पोजीशन है. The furthest that any spacecraft has gone from the equator was Surveyor 7. So equator से दूर जो भी गया अभी तक furthest उसका नाम था Surveyor 7. It was launched by NASA. So what is the full form of NASA? Full form of NASA. And what are the missions which are jointly done by NASA and ISRO? Kindly tell me this again, a very important question for interview. If an interview is taking this line of thought. Yes, Kanpur IIT is also involved in Chandrayaan-3. Very good, Sagar. Bangalore is the headquarter and S. Somnath is the chairman. Very good, Samir. Satish Dhawan Research Center, K. Shivan, head. Oh my God, what are you saying? Okay, so there is a combined thing. Nisar, very good, Nisar. Okay, now come to the next one. So, interview may ask the first question. Why hasn't any spacecraft ever landed near the lunar south pole? Why this is the first ever program or the operation by our scientists? So there is a very good reason why all the landings on the moon so far have happened in the equatorial region. Even China's Chang'e 4, which became the first aircraft to land on the far side of the moon, the side that does not face the Earth, landed near the 45-degree latitude. It is easier and safer to land near the equator. The terrain and temperature are more. So the first thing is easy and safe. The second thing is terrain and temperature are more hospitable and conducive for a long sustained operation of instrument. The surface here is even and smooth. Very steep slopes are almost absent and there are fewer hills or craters. Sunlight is present in abundance, at least on the side facing the Earth, thus offering a regular supply of energy to solar powered instruments. So if you are giving all these three reasons to justify your answer, then it will be very okay. But if you go beyond your answer, Then you also you can also add that the polar region of the moon, however, are very different and difficult terrain. Many parts lie in a completely dark region. So lunar region is actually the dark one, where sunlight never reaches and temperatures can go below 230 degrees centigrade. Lack of sunlight and extremely low temperatures create difficulty in the operation of instruments. In addition, there are large craters all over the place, ranging from a few centimeters in size to those extending to several thousands of kilometers. So here you can just create a difference between the two. What are the qualities for lunar and what are the qualities for equatorial? Okay. And I think it is very, very easy to memorize. Is my point clear to everyone? Say yes or no. Okay. Now, next question may be asked. Second question. Why do scientists want to explore the lunar south pole? हमें जाना ही क्यों है भाई lunar south pole पे? So due to the rugged environment, rugged means uneven. The polar region of the moon have remained unexplored. जो polar region रहा है, south pole हो या north pole हो, हमेशा हम ज्यादातर कहाँ पर गए हैं? वो गए हैं हम equatorial region पे. तो जो ये वाला region है वो unexplored रह गया है. But several orbiter missions have provided evidence that these regions could be very interesting to explore. There are indications of the presence of ice molecules. So यहाँ पे ice molecule मिल जाएगा in substantial amounts in the deep craters in this region. India's 2008 Chandrayaan Mission 1 indicated the presence of water on the lunar surface with the help of its 2 instruments on board. So we have also detected the presence of water. So पृथ्वी पर मंगल खोजने की बजाय लोग मंगल पर पानी ढूंढ पाए हैं, इतनी अच्छी बात है. In addition, the extremely cold temperature here mean that anything trapped in the region would remain frozen in time. So there is a extremely cold temperature, and that is why everything must be found frozen even after several years or decades or centuries without undergoing much change. The rocks and soil in moon's north and south poles could therefore provide clues to the early solar system. This is very, very important. So now the third question may be asked, why don't some parts of the lunar polar region receive any sunlight? So lunar polar region पर sunlight क्यों नहीं आती है, और sunlight नहीं आती है इसलिए वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ क्यों है या ice क्यों है? Unlike the Earth, whose spin axis is tilted with respect to the plane of the solar orbit by 23.5 degree. I think you all are aware of this tilting of the Earth at 23.5 degree. The moon's axis is tilted only for 1.5 degree. Because of this unique geometry, sunlight never shines on the floor of a number of craters near the lunar north and south poles. These areas are known as permanently shadowed region, and in short, it is called permanently shadow region, PSR. In a 2019 report, NASA said water that happens to find its way into PSRs may remain there for long periods of time. Data from the Diviner instrument on board LRO, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or robotic spacecrafts currently orbiting the moon, which measures temperatures across the moon, including PSRs, indicate that some surfaces are cold enough so that water is stable at the surface. So this, the next part, the second paragraph is not so much important as far as scientific outlook is concerned, but the first paragraph is very, very important as far as your interview framing of answer is concerned. So take care of this point only. If you are new to this channel or new to this video, then please subscribe Telegram channel at the rate IB Examination, where you find the PDF or such PDFs daily. Okay, so there are many qualities of intelligence officer. So you must be taking care of all the qualities from now on. And if you have any batch inquiry for slot number 5, then you can give me some detail on the official email ID beatinterview@gmail.com. Then you will get the structure and the course and how we will be doing in the batch. So this is all we have done. So how is the session? How is the Josh? Kindly comment in the comment box. And which topic should I cover in the next session? Kindly comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night.